Hi friends, I was recently gifted a few pieces from the stunning limited edition collection launch by Sweaty Betty in collaboration with Halle Berry and her line Respin. Respin is an inclusive platform created to provide inspiration and resources and products to support your health and wellness journey. Now, their mission is rooted in health and wellness and offers the idea that wellness isn't an overnight project, but is a lifelong journey that requires commitment and mindfulness. As I tried on each of these pieces, I felt not only supported, but also free to move, knowing that nothing would slip down or need adjusting, and that is such an important factor for me when I choose my athletic wear. I also love that the design of each piece was inspired by boxing and Japanese Jiu-jitsu, making it seamless to transition from whichever studio I'm practicing in to the outside world. I'm truly able to enjoy the play between fashion and function. Now, in this video, I'm flowing in the Jinx Power workout leggings, Jinx Power 6-inch biker shorts, and Jinx Power France workout tank, all in black SBHB Geo. I also layered it with the Patience split back tee in lily white, which is so breezy, soft, and comfortable. The quality of this collection is absolutely superb, and it's so evident that great care and mindfulness went into these. The Sweaty Betty and Halle Berry collab is now available, and I highly recommend you grab it before it sells out because things are going so fast. I hope you enjoy. Be blessed.